How to Transfer Crypto from Kucoin to Binance 2025 Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to HowtoMastery. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from your Kucoin account to your Binance account, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to Binance. First, open the Binance app or visit Binance.com on your browser. Log in to your Binance account. Step 2. Find your Binance deposit address. Next, tap Wallet, then Deposit. Choose the crypto you want to receive, for example, USDT or BTC. Select the correct network you'll be sending on, like TRC20, ERC20, or BTC. Select the correct network you'll be sending on, like TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20, USDT, or BTC. Select the correct network you'll be sending on, like TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20, and copy your deposit address. Step 3. Open Kucoin. Now, open the Kucoin app or go to Kucoin.com and log into your account. Step 4. Go to Assets, Withdraw. Tap Assets at the bottom, then choose Withdraw. Select the same crypto you picked on Binance, for example, USDT. Step 5. Paste the Binance address. In the withdrawal form, paste your Binance deposit address that you copied earlier. Select the same network you chose in Binance. Double-check that it matches. Step 6. Enter amount and confirm. Enter how much crypto you want to send. Double-check all details. Tap Confirm, then complete any security verifications, like entering a code or email OTP. Step 7. Wait for the transfer. Your crypto will transfer from Kucoin to Binance. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network and congestion. Important tips. Always choose the correct network. Sending on the wrong one can result in lost funds. Double-check your deposit address. Small test transfers are smart if you're new to this. Outro. And that's how you transfer crypto from Kucoin to Binance safely. If this video helped, please subscribe to HowtoMastery, and comment below with any questions about crypto transfers. Thanks for watching and happy trading!